Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is a quick review on OneAdPack. OneAdPack is a revenue sharing website. In other words, it's a traffic exchange whereby the members share in the profits that the website is making from advertising. I was drawn to OneAdPack to advertise or additional advertising. But then I also noticed that their revenue sharing is very good. What I liked about the program is that the ad packs only start from $1 each. You get 100 visitors to your website. And like all rev shares, you need to serve 10 ads per day. As soon as you need to serve those 10 ads so you can earn for that day. You're basically earning 4.3% per day. And the total profit is 130%. So you get 130% over 30 days. 130% sounds very high, and it is high, but 20% of that is goes into repurchase wallet. So you cannot withdraw that. You can only buy more advertising with that 20%. And that is great because that's one of the reasons that I like OneAdPack, is that will help the sustainability and the longevity of OneAdPack. The other thing that I like is there's a two-tier affiliate commission, and it's not high at all. It's only 7% and 3%. For affiliates, that might not sound a lot, but there's a lot of compounding in the background that happens, and this also helps the revenue share or the rev share last much longer. So this is the login page. If you join my team, please make sure it says Colin B there, then I'll help you get started. But let's just have a look inside first of all. So when you log in, this is the members dashboard, and you click here to watch your 10 ads per day. It starts off with a start page. This is one of the products that they sell, and it's very low. I think it's $4. As you know, with other revenue sharing websites, the starting page is excellent because you got the viewer's attention immediately, and for 10 seconds. So this is a great advertising product to advertise your other programs, and it's a great income for the OneAdPack as well, OneAdPack website. So you can remove the frame and go to this website, or you can do to the members area or visit the ad. So let's go to the members area. Okay, so when I click on it for a second time, then it will go to my 10 ads that I've got to watch each day. And there's the time, it's a 10-second timer, so it's not that long. And then here's the advertising. So you can advertise here when you buy AdPack. Then you basically select one of the, here it says, please click on the apple. Click on the apple and click on confirm. And then I've noticed you can't click on the view more sites immediately. You need to wait a couple of seconds, which is good for advertisers before you can watch the next ad. So you watch these 10 ads. I'm going to go back to the members area just to show you what it's all about. I started off about 8 days ago, and I got gifted OneAdPack from my sponsor. So they've also got a pay it forward program where your sponsor can gift you AdPack. So I got a $1 AdPack for free, and then yesterday I bought another 10 AdPacks, and here you can see I've already earned in my balance. I've got almost $1 that I can withdraw, and then in my repurchase, here you can see it's about 20%, or a little bit more than 20%, but supposed to be 20% that you can use for repurchase. I don't have $1 there yet because it needs to reach a minimum of $1 so that I can buy another AdPack and start my compounding. So because it's $1 AdPacks, your compounding starts very quickly. You only need to purchase 25 AdPacks. and you'll get 2,500 clicks to your advertising, and with that, every day you'll be able to buy one ad pack. So that will snowball very quickly, and you can also see your earnings accumulate very quickly that way. Here you can see my credits that I bought. I haven't allocated all my credits yet of my purchase yesterday. And then you can view your ad packs here, and this will tell you the progress, because after 30 days it expires and you'll get your 130% back, and then you can just compound that earnings or withdraw it. So you can see I started yesterday. Today's the 18th, and I bought this yesterday. It was 20 ad packs, and this is the one I was gifted 7 days ago on the 10th, and I've already it's around 23%. So as soon as this goes to 130%, then it expires, and I will get $1.30 from that. So you can monitor your ad packs. So I'll just want to show you how to buy ad pack. I've got they use coin payments. And what I do is to make it easy or more seamless. I'll just go to dashboard again. So if I want to buy more ad packs, you just go here. What I want to say is I log into my coin payments account, because I work through coin payments. So you can have Bitcoin in any other wallet, and then coin payments will be the breach to pull that Bitcoin, your payment. But I've got a coin payments wallet already with Bitcoin in there. So when I make payments, it's immediate. So I'm going to just buy, because I know I've got $10 in my Bitcoin wallet of coin payments. I'm just going to select 10 ad packs. Then I'll go to preview. And these are, you can use pay here, pay now, perfect, or this is STP, I can't remember, Solid Trust Pay, and then they've got perfect money, and then coin payments. Coin payments, my favorite, so I'm going to select that. And then I just need to add my name in here. And then I'm going to select the Bitcoin, and it's going to go green. And then I just apply from my balance, or apply from my balance, and then I just click on complete checkout. And you can see it's immediate, and there you can just click back to the store, seller store. You don't notice it takes about 10 to 20 minutes to reflect here, then I'll have 31. So every day I'll be able to buy a new ad pack now, and my compounding will start escalating that way. Then of course I've got banner ads. You can also add your site. Obviously with all the ad packs you get 100 views on each ad pack. You can load your ads here. You only get one slot when you join. If you want to buy another slot or advertise another website, you need to buy more slots. So you have used all your available slots, so you click on get more slots. Then it's $10 per slot, but with that $10 you also get 500 credits, so you get some great value from that. So you can advertise multiple websites on OneAdPack. I just wanted to show you, I've got only one. So you can also change, as soon as you've got that one slot, you can change it to any other websites that you want. They've also got paid solo ads where you get paid immediately. So with this one, you just click on, the thing is not staying still. So you watch that ad, and you click here, you can watch that ad, and immediately you'll earn money from that, or Bitcoin, or it's in dollars. So you can earn that way as well. So there's many ways that you can earn from OneAdPack. So I've earned 2 cents. So yes, 3 more here, and here you can see it doesn't say how much I'll earn. I'm sure it's 0.02, but anyway, to save time, I just want to show you, and there's also how it works. You can go, you register, you purchase your ad pack. Minimum is $1. You get $1.30 back from that. They say you can buy 100 ad packs maximum per day, but that has changed to 500. This is what you earn per day. It's basically for each ad pack of $1, you get 4 cents, 0.33 cents per day back. And then 20% goes to the repurchase wallet. You get only one advertising slot, but you can buy more advertising slots like I showed you for $10 each, and you get 500 views on that. And then affiliate commission 7% direct, and then your second line is 3%. And withdrawals is not immediate, is as soon as possible basis. So yeah, that is my review of OneAdPack, and I'm very excited about OneAdPack. Like I said, because it's $1. Only $1, you can start with $1, and your sponsor can also gift you $1 or whatever amount to help you get started. If you join my team, then yes, I'll also help you get started, but you must motivate that you're going to use that $1 and you're going to advertise your program that you want to advertise, because that will give you 100 clicks and OneAdPack, and you can then just test drive OneAdPack that way. So like I said, make sure when you join, I'll put my affiliate link in the description below. Make sure that it says Colin B. Contact me. I'll put my email below as well, and then I'll gift you a $1 ad pack so you can test drive OneAdPack. So yes, so that is my review on OneAdPack. I hope this helps you. If it does, please give us a thumbs up. If not, you can give us a thumbs down. And then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates on OneAdPack. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.